KitKat isn't just a snack, it's a worldwide favorite. With over 17 billion bars eaten each year, its crispy wafer and smooth chocolate keep people coming back for more. But what makes it so popular? Is it the crunchy bite, the creamy coating, or that famous snap? Let's take a look inside the factory to find out how it's made. Before we dive into how KitKat is made, let's take a quick look at its history. KitKat started in the United Kingdom in 1935. It was first made by Rowntree's, a popular British candy company, and called Rowntree's Chocolate Crisp. This was the start of a brand that would grow into one of the most loved and recognized chocolate bars in the world. In 1937, just 2 years after it first launched, the brand changed its name to KitKat. The new name was inspired by the KitKat Club, a famous social club in London from the 18th century that was known for its connections to art and culture. This change made the bar more memorable and gave it a link to British tradition and heritage. Over time, KitKat's popularity kept growing, but it was in 1958 that the bar really became a part of popular culture. That year, KitKat introduced its famous slogan, "Have a break, have a KitKat." This simple, catchy phrase connected with people around the world and quickly became linked to taking a break and enjoying a sweet snack. It wasn't long before the slogan appeared in ads, TV shows, and even everyday conversations. In 1988, a big change helped KitKat become even more popular. Nestlé, the global food company, bought Rowntree's, the company that made KitKat. This move gave KitKat the support it needed to grow internationally. Under Nestlé's ownership, KitKat became a global favorite, with new flavors added to match local tastes. For example, in Japan, matcha-flavored KitKats became a hit, while in South America, dulce de leche flavors were introduced inspired by local traditions. Thanks to these efforts, KitKat became popular worldwide and is now sold in over 100 countries. Its ability to adapt to different tastes and introduce new flavors has made KitKat one of the most well-known and loved chocolate bars around the world. What started as a simple chocolate snack has grown into a global icon, showing the impact of creativity, branding, and a touch of nostalgia. Making a KitKat barrage starts long before it gets to the factory, with the careful choice of high-quality ingredients. KitKat uses sustainably sourced cocoa, premium milk powder, sugar, and flour for its signature wafer. Nestlé's focus on sustainability ensures the brand supports ethical production while maintaining high quality. Cocoa beans mainly come from places like Côte d'Ivoire and Ghana, where they are grown carefully to get the best flavor and quality. After being harvested, the beans go through a detailed process of fermentation and drying. Fermentation, which takes about 5 to 7 days, helps bring out the cocoa's rich flavor. The dried beans are then sent to Nestlé factories, where they are roasted to make the rich chocolate that gives KitKat its signature taste. Milk powder and sugar, two other important ingredients, come from trusted suppliers. Milk powder is made by removing water from fresh milk, giving it a long shelf life while keeping the taste. The sugar is processed carefully to make sure it has the right sweetness. The wheat for the wafer is milled into flour that meets specific standards. To reduce its environmental impact, Nestlé focuses on sourcing ingredients locally when possible. Each ingredient is carefully checked for quality before being used in production. For cocoa, this means testing its flavor and purity. This attention to detail makes sure every KitKat bar tastes the same, no matter where you enjoy it. The light, crispy wafer inside every KitKat bar is carefully made. It starts with mixing flour, sugar, water, and a little leavening agent to create dough. Large industrial mixers blend these ingredients into a smooth batter. The mixing is closely watched as the dough's texture and moisture are important for the final product. Once the batter is ready, it is spread evenly onto large baking trays using machines that make sure the thickness is the same. The trays are then placed in special ovens made for baking wafers. These ovens bake the batter at controlled temperatures, usually between 150 and 200 degrees Celsius, depending on the recipe. The heat makes the batter rise a little, giving the wafer its light texture. After baking, the wafer sheets are cooled to stop them from cracking. They are then cut into rectangles that fit perfectly into KitKat molds. But the wafer's job isn't over yet. A creamy filling, made from crushed wafers and chocolate, is added between the layers to improve flavor and strength. This filling, called rework, also helps reduce waste by using leftover wafer pieces. Once layered and filled, the wafer sheets are cut into smaller pieces, ready for the chocolate coating. Every step of this process is designed for efficiency and consistency, making sure each wafer meets Nestlé's high standards. With the wafer pieces ready, they're coated in KitKat's famous chocolate. Nestlé makes the chocolate by blending roasted cocoa beans, milk powder, and sugar. The chocolate is then tempered, which means it's heated and cooled to exact temperatures. This gives the chocolate a shiny finish and a clean snap when bitten. The enrobing process involves passing the wafer pieces under a flow of liquid chocolate. Conveyor belts move the wafers steadily, making sure the coating is even. The thickness of the chocolate is carefully controlled because too much can overpower the wafer, while too little would affect the bar's taste. After the chocolate coating, the bars are cooled in refrigerated tunnels. This quick cooling hardens the chocolate and keeps its smooth texture. Extra chocolate that drips off is collected and recycled, reducing waste. Once the chocolate is fully set, the bars are checked for any mistakes before moving to the next step. KitKat's classic milk chocolate flavor is loved by many, but the brand's creativity has helped it win over people all over the world. In Japan, KitKat has become a cultural symbol with unique flavors like matcha green tea, strawberry cheesecake, and even soy sauce. Each flavor is made with care, considering local tastes and traditions. Creating a new flavor starts in the lab, where food scientists test different ingredients and recipes. Once the recipe is set, small-scale tests are done to make sure it works. Nestlé's factories have flexible production lines that can easily change, allowing them to make limited edition flavors without stopping the production of regular bars. For seasonal flavors like pumpkin spice or mint chocolate, extra ingredients are added during mixing or coating. These special flavors often come with unique packaging to set them apart from regular KitKats. These new flavors help keep the brand exciting and encourage fans to try every version. Sustainability is a key part of KitKat's work. Through the Nestlé Cocoa Plan, the company supports cocoa farmers and their communities by offering training on sustainable farming, giving out disease-resistant cocoa plants, and making sure farmers are paid fairly. Packaging is another area where Nestlé is improving. The company plans to make all KitKat wrappers recyclable or reusable by 2025. In some places, paper wrappers have already replaced plastic ones. These changes help reduce waste and support global efforts to fight plastic pollution. Energy efficiency is a focus in KitKat factories. Many now use renewable energy, like solar or wind power. Water-saving systems also help reduce the environmental impact. These efforts are part of Nestlé's goal to reach net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2050. Once the KitKat bars are coated and cooled, they move to packaging. High-speed machines wrap each bar in protective layers to keep the chocolate and wafer safe during storage and transportation. The packaging is made to protect and keep the bars fresh for longer. The red and white design is simple and bold, making it easy to recognize and has been a key part of the brand for years. Nestlé makes sure each KitKat bar is sealed tightly, which helps keep its flavor and texture. The airtight packaging protects the wafer and chocolate layers from air and moisture, which could affect the quality. This attention to detail ensures that every KitKat bar tastes the same, whether eaten right away or after being stored. The freshness is preserved, so every bite is just as crispy and tasty. For special or seasonal flavors, KitKat's packaging is more than just practical. It becomes part of the fun. The packaging often has bright, bold designs that match the unique flavors inside, making the bars feel special and exclusive. Whether it's for a holiday or a local release, these designs add excitement and encourage fans to collect or try something new. The eye-catching packaging makes the limited edition bars even more appealing and adds to the overall experience. Nestle has added QR codes to some KitKat packaging. When customers scan these codes, they can learn more about the product, like where it's from, its ingredients, and Nestle's sustainability efforts. This use of technology helps customers make informed choices and shows the brand's commitment to ethical sourcing and environmental care. The QR codes make the packaging interactive, strengthening the connection between the brand and its customers, while highlighting Nestle's focus on sustainability and quality. After packaging, KitKat bars are sorted and ready to be shipped. Nestle's global logistics network makes sure products get to stores quickly and in good condition. Warehouses with modern inventory systems help keep the distribution process efficient. KitKat is available in many places, including grocery stores, gas stations, vending machines, and online. Marketing campaigns tailored to different markets help increase its popularity. Social media also keeps KitKat in the spotlight, with viral campaigns and content that encourages fans to engage. Next time you break a KitKat bar, remember the careful process behind it. From choosing ethical ingredients to perfecting the wafer and chocolate, each step shows Nestle's focus on quality. With its long history, new flavors, and commitment to sustainability, KitKat keeps delighting chocolate lovers worldwide, making every bite part of a global tradition. KitKat isn't just about great flavor, it's also focused on sustainability. Nestle works to reduce its environmental impact by using responsibly sourced cocoa and ensuring fair labor practices. The brand also reduces packaging waste and uses eco-friendly materials, showing its commitment to both great taste and a healthier planet. What's your favorite KitKat flavor? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more sweet insights. See you next time.